Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we will learn about filter options, in which we can see how we can filter the names or any values, any country code, or how to filter the dates. The option is single, but it has multiple categories which we can utilize in doing so. Let's get started. First, how to get the filter option in this main heading bar. We will select this row and go here, sort and filter option, click here and click on filter option. You will see that the filter option is appeared that lists all the name that is contained in this list, that is David, Harry, Henry, and all the names. These are already mentioned in here, so it has taken all the names and prepared a list automatically by this simple sort and filter option. Okay, similarly you can see here the sales is same, all the numbers are included which are enlisted in here, and again you can see the country code I have used is UAE, UK and USA. It will be has 3 options only, as the list can see these 3 options only, so this thing is done automatically. Similarly with the dates. Now how we can filter the data of one person having this number of sales, or multiple filters, like the one who has the employee who has name Smith. We can use how we can filter Smith options, all Smith options. So let's see here. There are 2 methods. You can deselect all and select the single entity, that is Smith, and press OK. You can see the complete database is filtered with the name of Smith only. Similarly it goes with the dates and everything else. Control Z. Again we are on the same database. The another method we can use is going to this option, drop down, going to text filters and then selecting equal. It has many options, like if I go to here again, it has many options: equal, does not equal, begin with, ends with, and many more. Custom filter also, you can create your own category or type as well. So let's see for equals. We go to equals and then we need to select the person, let's say William. Now press OK. You can see the database is being filtered with the employee name or the person name who is William. So again Control Z, coming back to the original data. Again going to text filter and let's say begin with. So now we can, as the database has only one name, so obviously you can write the only single name. But what if we want to identify or filter the data with the second letter of anyone's name? So let's say we want to find out Jack, and the second letter of Jack is A. So, or anyone name who has A, the data will be filtered. So question mark, A and steric. Press OK. What you see is those people whose second letter begins with A has been filtered out. Now the same thing goes with the amount. If we press this drop down, you can see the number filter will appear. On the name section, the name filter or text filter was displayed. In numbers, when it comes to numbers, the number filter is available. Again, you see numerous options and you can select as per your requirements. So let's say we can select greater than, and we can select an amount, let's say this, or anything. We can add any random value as well. So selecting this and press OK. You can see that the database has picked up the 2 numbers that which was greater than the number we entered in the dialog box. But we made one mistake over here. What? We didn't went to the complete database. We selected this database which was already filtered. So again I've pressed double Control Z, and now I will choose the same options, greater than, and selecting a number, let's say the same thing. Okay, now you can see the value has been filtered out which is greater than 8700 and something from the complete database. So you need to remember this thing when figuring out or filtering the value. Don't filter from the filtered database. You need to go to the original database and then select the filter values. Again, Control Z. Now the country code, again text filters, equals to I want from USA, so okay, the USA database is filtered. Same goes with date. You can select date filters and many options appears along with the week, month or quarter, year as well. So you can say this year. So you can see that the database is empty. Why? Because the database didn't contain the current year data. So Control Z, going to the same option again and selecting last year. None. We don't have the data for the last year as well. So we need to check the dates also. The date filter option can be chosen as desired. So going to the same option again, and let's say we'll select an option of before, or you can change the option as well, let's say after. So you can select any date from this drop down. Let's say we want dates database containing the dates which is after this date, 4/11/2018. Okay, now you can see that the data has been filtered, that is being entered after the selected date. So this is how you can play with these all options. Again, you can go on the same place and deselect all and select the year as per your demand or requirement. So these are the things which is used as a basic filter options. For advanced filter option, keep watching my videos. I hope that you find it interesting. Thank you. See you next time.